Yes. Say hi. Hi, today is Tuesday, right?
What is that? Baba, if 3 o'clock is too much early.
Yeah, of course, too much early.
You think it is already early?
No, I need for you 5 o'clock. Oh, yala na. Basista.
Oh, I see it.
See it, I see it. I will make it for your bus. Bus nila. Good morning, Kalina.
Good morning.
Up.
You go na mag-gossip.
Where you go now?
School.
You're going to school.
Oh, there's too much kids.
What is your name? Today is your sports PA. That's why you are wearing shorts.
No, I haven't. Ew.
How many days na today?
Ow.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. 4 day. No, it's your 4 day of
My
school.
school.
You don't have still ID. That's why you are wearing paper. Show your paper name. Because still you don't have
The
ID.
prices say to dress.
Huh?
The prices. Ew. I saw it.
This is Yui.
Maybe she did not going in the school. Oh, we are here in the down shop.
No, there is a
Kasi
cat.
waiting for the
She's
bus.
ugly, the chair. No, of this cat fat. This ugly cat. This is cute.
Why too much clothes? You are excited going to school every day? Huh? Your bus is coming now.
No, I hear.
You heard? Yeah, come on. Yeah. This is today is your second week. Yeah, second week going to school. Wala pa silang uniform doon. Si Maha. Wala pa sila ngayon yung uniform. Kaya, ayan, ano pa rin sila. Tawag nito. Civilian. Ate. You know, must be you have picture. You have picture for Batipagitan. Oh, ayan. May bago daw silang bag. Ano pa yun doon? Oh, sisi. Make it truly na. Truly. Ate, tik na ate.
No, coming stand.
Oh, yala, make truly. Si ate hindi marunong magdala eh. Ayan. Oh. Nasira ka agad yung bag. Si hi.
Look, the bees. Yuck. Look, the bees is so funny when she fly.
Today is Friday. So, isang box lang ang dala nila. Kasi pag Friday, ano lang sila, values education at saka Islamic. Tapos, ano tawag nito, may mga extra event, extra curricular lang sila. Siguro mga mag-exercise, parang hindi ko alam anong extra curricular nila. So, ito lang ang kanilang bag dala ngayon, hindi sila nakatrolley. Hoy, tell mo na, ano ba yan? Hindi ba nakikita?
Look at that, it's fine. Look, look at it.
Sige ka.
My hands are scratched. So much scratch. Your arms is... Kaka! Ew!
Baka yun ang bus na. Ayan na yung bus nila. Bus new, bus new. Ang bus nila is coming na ang bus nila. Say hi. Good morning. Uy, ate, check. Say hi, good morning.
Hi, good morning.
So where you will go now? Where you will go, ate?
School.
Bishma, ha?
School.
Oh, why you are not looking for me?
School bus.
Maha. Say hi, Maha.
Hi.
Oh. Punta na daw sila sa school.
Yeah.
Don't play the cat. Ate ka na.
Huh? Yeah.
Go there, go there. Don't come there kasi there is dirty. Oh, don't put there. I already put there so that you will not touch. Their body you always touch. Put there. See, Maha, your leggings. That is not fit, cat. So not good to play.
Somebody I told he touched the head not coming by this in the TV, but it's dirty also. Because before someone is this pet and she's only there because maybe Mikako is her home.
Hmm? Yeah. If kaka, that one
And
kaka
that's
is too
why
much
she's
mabaho.
crying. You.
Oh, what I'm telling you, ha? Reminder, mama, listen for your teacher, okay? So that you can answer when teacher question, you can answer, ha? Don't forget, don't always talking with your classmate. If break time, that is the time you talk your classmate. Uy, Mahabisma. Break time, that is the time you talk with your classmate, right? If not break time, must be focused for your teacher. Uniform. Ano ba yan? Yan ang mga estudyante ko. Oh, making stand up there together. I will make picture for you. Mama, see. What happened to your neck, Maha?
Mama, they're scared.
Look at first for Mama. Smile.
Look.
What happened to the cat? Oh, this is their first day to wearing their uniform.
Looking for us. See? She's
Huh?
always coming. Look, she's coming outside.
Yeah.
Before I see it before, then
Important.
oh.
Where is your bus?
Baby there kasi Papa's sleeping.
Don't feel. Video only kasi I need for you video for short.
Short?
Yeah. Go there. Talk for Mama. Careful for your dress, ha? Kasi still you have one uniform.
But this one is early broken. Same before my school said there's no archangel when I'm too much dancing coming broken.
So what will I do?
After you make all these stitching, so that will become too much tight.
Maha, where is your clip?
Mama, dito na we're here. After training.
But you did not. I told you when you go in the baby shop, you buy for comb. Why you did not buy
I
comb?
see there's full of glitters inside.
You are buying only for this Play-Doh. You are not looking for your comb.
Oh,
supplies.
Yeah, too much gas.
Yuck, mahal. Ano ba yun? After your... Wala na yung bus niya.
Where?
Bus coming na. I heard. Bus is coming. The yellow bus. Oh, meron na silang tie. Ito
Mama.
yung name ng kanilang school.
UPS and Rochelle Philippine School.
Ah, what is the meaning of UPS?
UPS, Universal Philippine School. School, I thought. School.
Araw-araw na lang. Pang 3 linggo na ngayon. Laging excited na pumapasok kasi gusto ma-meet ang mga friend.
I want to meet too much friends.
Huh? What?
I want to meet too much friends. Huh?
Cheese. Ayan. Nakapili uniform sila. Ano ba yung bag mo, mahaway? Kasi may dala silang paper bag. Dahil regalo daw sa ka-classmate nila. Ano ba yun? What is your gift for your classmate? Today is birthday of your classmate, right? So, you have dirty eyes.
When I make like that, I see coming blurred. Kamuta.
Huh? See,
Yeah. Don't
Talaga,
pull down.
careless ni ate. Too much dirty na your jacket. Oh, how can you hold your gift? What is your gift for your classmate?
I have to stop toys and I have paper inside toys.
What you write in the paper?
I have happy birthday.
And then,
And I put something here inside. And I put another paper. Mama! And I also have another 2 paper. But I don't know the drug, I forget.
oh, good there. Yan, naka-wearing sila ngayon ng uniform ng PE.
Oh my God. That is dates and cockroach.
This maybe used to
Because I see there's yellow.